everybody, Teacher Source here. I wanted to show you real quick what the editable Solve It morning message PowerPoints looked like. So I do have September, October, and November created, hopefully trying to do the rest of them because they have been a savior for me. So what I use them for is we use Microsoft Teams, so at the very beginning of the morning, I post my PowerPoint slide on the screen, so when I start the meeting and screen share, it's like a placeholder I'm calling it. I put what time the meeting is going to start at. I give them to-do steps of what they need to do in the morning before the meeting begins, and it gives me some time to run to the bathroom, get my last minute things ready, give the kids some time to trickle in because everyone's not going to be there on time, just like regular in-class school is like. And it also gives them a chance to review some math, so just getting their brains moving and rocking and rolling for the day. So let me show you. There's going to be September, November, and October in here. Let me just show you quickly what September looks like. It is editable, so you can add text boxes of information that you want to add that's personalized for your classroom. So in the product, there's going to be links if you want to utilize this and assign it on Seesaw or Google Classroom. And there's also editable teacher links, which I'll show you in a second. But each slide is going to have a blank to-do box where you can type this information. It's going to be preloaded with the date and a math solve it problem. And then this is blank, and you can put, what I've been recently putting in there is the time that we're going to be starting at, and I'll show you that in a second. So each week, here there's an answer key, and there's also, it tells you what Math Common Core Standard focus each week is focusing on and each question specifically. This September editable PowerPoint is more focused on second grade standards, as you can see here, especially because that's what our unit starts with in third grade, and because they missed all that time, with potential learning in the spring. So, like I mentioned before, it comes with this to-do box that you can type in. It comes with a math problem preloaded, the date, and then up here I've been writing down what time we're starting the meeting at. And there is every single day preloaded, and there is also blank ones with no date in here, so you could utilize these for years to come. There's word problems, there's all sorts of different problems, and they change depending on the month. So next month, I believe, is more advanced addition and subtraction word problems, and then it goes into multiplication, division, all sorts of perimeter, all different topics. And there's also completely blank ones. So if you want to put your own problem in here, if you want to change this to be something else that you're working on, that's fine too. The other product in here is going to be the teacher rubrics, and this is a PDF that you could print out and write in, or there is links to use it digitally as well, where the kids can write in the answers. If you're in person or you have the ability to print things before the kids get them, they can work out the problems here, so then you can utilize them potentially for standard rubric grading. So like this is week 1 for September, you can put your students' names in here, and then you can write down if they got the question right, or if they're meeting, exceeding, or needing in those specific standards, and that's for each week. So each and every single month has a different theme and different focus for the math problems. So it's a really great option, and I was just going to show you real quick. This is a different one, but it's similar that I've been using like this morning. I gave them the steps of muting themselves, finishing something we worked on yesterday, getting some materials ready, and then you can put like cute little Bitmojis in there. You can add your schedule in. I put like what time we're starting at, so you can add different personalized touches to this, but it's a really great thing just to project and have ready so that when the kids come to the meeting in the morning, they see some directions and what they need to get started on doing, just to kind of give them that slow transition into what you're going to be doing that day. Thanks for listening.